This is a hospital that conducts human experiments. Every night, the doctors randomly select a patient and take them to the operating room. First, they saw off their legs, or cut out their tongues, or sometimes even perform castration surgery. Then the doctor brings out a yellow medicine and injects it into the patient's body, causing the severed parts to grow back. None of the patients know how they ended up here. The woman had undergone an appendectomy, but when she woke up, she found herself locked in a crude room. An IV drip beside her was feeding some kind of yellow medicine into her system. The surgical wound had already healed completely, which meant she'd been imprisoned here for at least 2 weeks. Yet she couldn't remember anything. A doctor walked in and unlocked her handcuffs. When the woman asked where she was, the doctor didn't answer. Instead, he warned her not to try to leave and to wait for her name to be called. He said she could leave after 3 months. The woman didn't believe the doctor's words. After the doctor left, a piece of paper slipped through a small hole in the wall with the words, "Who are you?" written on it. Then a pencil was pushed through. The woman took the pencil and wrote back asking which hospital this was, then pushed both the paper and pencil back through the hole. The note quickly returned with, "This isn't a hospital" written on it. Suddenly, a swarm of doctors burst into the room next door, and the agonized screams of a man echoed through the walls.